What up, guys? It's Marcel Benson, investor and entrepreneur. And in less than 5 minutes, I'm going to give you guys a breakdown of how to trade time frames, what they mean, and how you can have success with them. Let's get into it. If there's one piece of advice that I could give to new traders is to understand the time frames, right? Understand that each time frame tells a different story. When you look at all of the time frames, what's happening is the truth is getting fainter and fainter and fainter as we drop down in time frames. Okay, this is very important to understand. Think about the game telephone, where a secret is told and then the next person is receiving the secret from the previous person, and each time the truth changes a little bit until eventually it's just noise and it's not really as accurate as when the secret was first told from the original person. So you want to think about the weekly like that, right? The weekly or the daily is like the truth. This is what's happening in the market for a long-term outlook. And as you drop down in time frames, it becomes a little more faint, right? So if you're trading the 5 minute, the 10 minute, the 15 minute, you have to understand that these moves can work, but there's also a truth that they have to eventually adhere to, okay? So you don't wanna trade the daily as if it's the 15 minute, and you don't wanna trade the 15 minute as if it's the daily. What that means is you don't wanna be in 15 minute, 5, 10, 15 minute time frame trades for too long, and you don't wanna be in daily time frame moves for too short of a period of time. A lot of people get confused on the daily time frame because they're trying to trade it like the 15 minute. When something's not happening within the day, they think that they've completely missed out on the trade. They think that they may have lost, even though the level and the structure is still intact. The volatility throughout the day completely throws them off, and this is how you see a lot of people get tricked out of their trades. Now, if you're trading, I'm pretty sure you've had a moment where you got out and you're like, damn, it did exactly what it was supposed to do a couple of hours later or the next day or the following day. Okay, so you always want to keep time frame in mind. Remember, 5 to 15 minute time frames, stay in them for short term. Daily time frames, give it a little bit more time to actually play out. Remember, on the daily, one day is that candlestick. So in order for you to see a continuance of a pattern, you have to let days go by the same way you would let multiple 5 minute candles go by when you're trading it on the 5 minute time frame, okay? I hope this helps. If there's anything else that you would like cleared up about the time frames, drop the question in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.